Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Classes. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix can't connect to this network error while you connecting to Wi-Fi. When you try to connect to the Wi-Fi, after entering the correct password also, it will not connect. It will show the error like can't connect to this network. So for this, first we need to check IP and DNS. For that, go to search for control panel. Open the control panel. In control panel, search for network and sharing center. Here it is. Click on that. In the network and sharing center window, left side change adapter settings option is there. We have to open that. Click on that. In adapter settings window, it shows all the available network devices. We have to search for Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi. After selecting, we have to right click on the Wi-Fi and open the properties of Wi-Fi device. In the Wi-Fi properties window, search for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Select that one. When we select that one, under that properties option will enable. We have to click on that properties. Here we have to check these obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server's address automatically should be selected as obtain automatically. It's in automatic only. Just click on OK, then close it. After that, again right click on the Wi-Fi device, click on disable. We have to disable and enable once. After disabling, right click again, click on enable. It's enabled. After doing this, you check once again is you are able to connect to the Wi-Fi. It's still showing can't connect to this network. In that case, we have to do forget and re-enter the credentials. Sometimes Wi-Fi password might have been changed. So that time it will show the error like can't connect to this network. Come to this network symbol, click on that Wi-Fi. In the list of Wi-Fi devices, select your Wi-Fi, right click on that, click on forget. It will remove the credentials entered before. So after that, again try to connect. It will ask for the password. Enter the credentials. If you are not sure, press on this I symbol to confirm the password and click on next. Still showing can't connect to this network. So we'll move to the next method. Go to search for CMD. In the list on the command prompt, right click, select run as administrator. Click on yes, black window will appear. There we have to type NETSH space INT space IP space reset log.txt. Press the enter. It will reset the all log.txt file will reset. After that again we have to reset the WinSock catalog. For that enter the command NETSH space WinSock space reset. Press the enter key. It will successfully reset the WinSock catalog. Now the WinSock catalog also resetted. After that we have to clear the DNS cache. For that command is ipconfig /flush DNS. Press the enter key. Successfully flush the DNS. After that exit the command prompt. We have to restart the laptop after that. And after restarting the laptop, check now you are able to connect to the Wi-Fi. It's connected. Still unable to connect to your Wi-Fi. We need to update the Wi-Fi driver. To update the Wi-Fi driver, we need to go to device manager. Go to search for device manager, open it. In the device manager, search for network adapter, expand that network adapters. Under that Wi-Fi device is this one, Intel Wi-Fi 6E 211/116 MHz. So select the Wi-Fi device, right click on that, click on update driver. Search automatically for drivers. It will connect to the internet. If you are connected to network through LAN or something, you select this search automatically for drivers option, or else click on browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list available drivers on my computer. Here it will give you the list of drivers. Select the driver and click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this one. After that, we have to restart the laptop and check for the Wi-Fi connectivity. If you are still facing the issue, we have to reset the network. Go to search, directly search for network reset. Open that one. In network reset, it will reset all the settings, all the adapter settings, Wi-Fi settings, everything will be resetted if we do the reset now option. Just click on that reset now. It will reset all the network settings, and we have to restart the laptop after that. After doing all these methods also, if you are unable to connect to the Wi-Fi, still you are getting that can't connect to this network error, means you have to check your router. You have to restart your Wi-Fi router. If you are trying to connect from the mobile hotspot, you have to change the settings in mobile. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.